for you. This is the Cushnahanna Session Group. And as I said earlier, it's a very unique opportunity and a unique kind of entertainment setting where we have the experience. Over 50 venues throughout Ireland have this for the months of July and August every summer. So this particular group behind me here were established by our steward, Frank Whelan, together with the late Brian Pryor, Paddy Kearse and Sonny Murray in 1996. And this group have been together for the last 22 years performing in Cushnahanna. Hundreds of people have played with them, danced with them, sang with them over the years, all of the highest calibre and standard of traditional Irish music, song and dance. No more than what's behind me here, very, very award-winning and very accomplished musicians, dancers and singers to bring you the best of entertainment over the next while here on the Gig Rig at the Fleadh down in Ennis. So we're really going to enjoy this. I want you to put your hands together and give a big, big welcome to the Cushnahanna Session Group.
Thanks very much, ladies and gentlemen. That was our opening tunes from our session of Cushnahanna. We had a couple of polkas there, the Little Diamond and the Upper Church polkas. So we're going to continue now with a couple of barn dances and into a bit of a couple of steps of a reel. Okay, we'll start from three.
Thank you.
thanks to the dancers and the rest of the band. We're going to continue now with a selection of jigs, Tatterjack Welsh and the Ship in Full Sail. Okay, we're going to continue with hornpipe. We'll get the girls in to dance again. It's called Harvest Home. very much, folks. There were three military two-steps, slightly different from our regular jigs and reels, but they come from the old recordings of the early Kilfenora Kelly band, where they played a lot of military two-steps. We're going to continue now with slip jig. It's called A Fig for a Kiss, and we'll have one of the girls or two of the girls dancing on this. Okay, thanks very much. That was Aisling McMahon doing the Shannon step on the half barrel for us. Before that, we had what we call the A to Z of dancing, which is Amy and Zoe Keane, start to the end of the alphabet. So they're coming on again now, and we're going to do a slip jig called Tia Rafferty and Gert Namona. These two slip jigs were written by Michael Rooney, so they're relatively new slip jigs, and they're very attractive slip jigs for dancing. So we'll get ready to do those. I'm not sure that I could name everybody along the line for you. I can do my best. I'm Martin Breen, it's Fergal Breen. We have Sinead Mulqueen on concertina. We have Jennifer Markham, and then we have Soraka. We have, we'll have already given you a call. We have Cullum. Now, if Cullum knows the rest of his lads, because I don't have a clue of their names, he can call them out. No?
We'll just do the introductions, and that Reid there on our piano is actually our co-producer of the show here this evening and for the series that we did in Cushnahouna all through the summer from July and August. So a big hand there for Martin. And as he said, Fergal Breen and Sinead Mulqueen and the concertina, and Sinead is the current All-Ireland Senior Concertina Champion. And we have Jennifer Martin beside her, and Jennifer Martin is a member of the Canuckton Weha band that will be competing in the Senior Céilí Band competition on Sunday night. And Fergal, Sinead and Jennifer are through in they're the Munster champions in the trio competition this year. And beside her we have Soraka Curtin from Midtown Malbay, one of the great homes of music in the county, and Ashley McMahon here beside me is from Queen. I'm Colin Lester, by the way, I'm from town here. Beside me here on my left hand side, on your right as you look up at me, is the current under 12 All-Ireland flute champion, Rebecca Griffin. For the next couple of days anyway, I suppose, until Sunday, until Saturday when the competition takes place. And next beside on the concertina we have Anne-Marie Meany, and Anne-Marie is from Cranny in County Clare. I think there must be some lads from Cranny tonight. And beside her from Kilmaley we have Jennifer Griffin, and Jennifer Griffin is on the accordion, a member of the in-show Céilí Band under 15 that will be competing in the All-Ireland this year. Beside her we have the current Munster champion on the banjo, Caroline Griffin. Beside her, and the fiddles next, we have Amy Keane, our dancer, on the fiddle. Her sister Zoe Keane is there as well, I think, beside her. Sorry, her sister Zoe Keane is there beside her. And on fiddles then we have Abby Hine, is the next fiddle player that we have in the pink jumper there. And her sister Emily Hine is beside her, and on the far side of the stage we have Hannah Morrissey from Ballyea.
thanks very much. We're just moving into our last piece now. We've enjoyed playing for you. I hope you've enjoyed listening. So, as I said at the outset, we are the Cushnahauna Session Group, and we'll be back in action again in June and July of next year at Cushnahauna. So we're going to finish up now with 3 reels and a little bit of dancing. There'll be Devaney's Goat, Galway Rambler and Last Night's Fun. Thanks very much.
Please put your hands together for the Cushnahauna Session Group. Well done, that was absolutely fantastic. Did you enjoy it? I saw people down there dancing, I loved it. You're all very welcome, that's part of the session. It's a concert for the first part and then it's totally into the participation of the audience. So do feel free, if you feel it in your bones, you need to dance a bit of a set or a bit of shannos, that's what it's all about. Thank you so much to Martin and Cullum and all the wonderful musicians and dancers there. They're mainly from the Abbey branch of Colchis, and as I said, on Wednesdays and Fridays they do that every week for July and August in Cushnahauna, and there are plenty of other session groups around the county as well, which you'll be seeing between 7 and 8 here each night on the gig rig, 7:15 to 8 probably.